President, with the expected oil price hikes in the coming weeks and disruption in the global supply chain, I think it's also a fair assumption na tataas din po ang presyo ng ibang mga consumer goods. Are there certain goods that we are bracing for, and what interventions are in place?
Well, it all depends on how long this lasts. Kasi kung matagal ito, doon mararamdaman. It takes a little while for these price shocks to go through the system bago maramdaman yung daily consumers na maramdaman nila sa presyo ng mga iba't ibang produkto. But because there will be, siyempre magkakaroon ng effect yan pero yung mga halimbawa, the only place where the transport has been disrupted is really in that area. So even if you think about it, yung mga barko na parating na rito papunta mag-deliver ng mga goods, they are still traveling towards here. So that's why I'm saying it will take time for any of the effects of the oil price shocks to work through the system. And of course, the prayer that we have is that before they work their way through the system, matapos na ito, so that hindi na masyadong maramdaman ng taong bayan.